Good morning, student. I am Ria, your chemistry teacher. Today our session is extra question answers discussion and which is important from CBSE point of view of the chapter matter in our surrounding. As we done the chapter, so we are discussing now extra question related to this chapter. So here the question is question 1. What is matter? Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. In other words, anything which has mass and volume is called matter. For example, chair, table, computer, mouse, etc. As you done. Name the 3 common states of matter. Give one example of each. Solid, ice, liquid, water, gas, oxygen. Next is, a substance has a definite shape as well as definite volume. Which physical state is represented by this statement? Solid have a definite shape as well as definite volume. So these type of question come in your 1 mark only. Next is list important properties of matter. So it is one of the important question. So we already done in the slideshow. Properties of matter. Matter is made up of small particles. These particles are very small in size. These particles are moving constantly. These particles have space between them. Particles of matter attract each other because of force of attraction. Next, identify the matter from the given terms. So you have to identify. This is your one of the NCERT question that I also put in this. Next is give reason for the following observation. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food you have to go close. So that is one of the concept diffusion. You have to explain the diffusion. A diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? So this is also the ability of the driver to cut through water in swimming pool shows the matter is made up of particles. These questions we already done in your NCERT. What provide the best evidence about the random motion of the particles in matter? So diffusion and Brownian movement. Here I can explain you what is Brownian movement. So Brownian movement is a movement or motion of particle in a zigzag form. So there is a random motion which is in the zigzag form is known to be the Brownian movement. So this is one of the new definition. Which term is used to describe the mixing of copper sulfate with the water in a beaker on its own? So diffusion is used to describe the mixing of copper sulfate with water in a beaker on its own. Next is when crystals of potassium permanganate are placed at the bottom of a beaker of water. Water in the whole beaker turns pink on its own. Which property of matter is represented by this process and name the process? This is from the activity that we have done in our videos. When crystals of potassium permanganate are placed at the bottom of a beaker of water in the whole beaker turns pink on its own. This process represents the matter is made up of small particles which diffuse from a region of high concentration to the region of low concentration, and this phenomena is known as diffusion, which is mainly the intermixing of the particle. Next is which properties of matter were proved by mixing sugar in water? This experiment proves that matter is made up of tiny particles and there is a space between these particles. So these are some conceptual questions which we have to do. Which process is involved in the spreading of fragrance of incense stick from a corner to the whole room? Diffusion process is involved in the spreading of fragrance of incense stick. Incense stick is your agarbatti. From a corner to the whole room indicates that particles of matter moves from higher to the lower concentration. So that is one of the process of diffusion. Next is these type of question can become in your exam. Arrange the following substance in increasing order of forces of attraction between the particles. Oxygen, water and sugar. So you have to do the increasing order. Increasing order is from smaller to greater. So here the force of attraction are the strongest in solid. As you know, the particles are compact in nature, followed by the liquid. Liquids have the intermediate between solid and gas, and the weakest in the gases have strong force of repulsion and weak force of attraction, as we read. So solid is greater than, liquid is greater than gases. So therefore the force of attraction between the particle increases in the order oxygen, that is gas, water and sugar. Give 2 reasons to justify water at room temperature is a liquid. You have to give the properties of liquid. And iron almira is a solid at room temperature. It is also a property. You have to show the properties of the solid, that we also already done. Here is a matter in our surrounding crossword. So you have to do in your copy, that is in classwork copy, fair copy. Here these are the blocks. The number are written in the blocks. You can see, even I send you this PPT also on your WhatsApp group. And see here, take the shape of its container. You have to write in number 2. Take the shape of the container at number 2. 12 number is nothing. At 5th, the state of matter whose volume depends on the container. 8th, its meaning is hidden. 9th, the smallest particle of an element. 15 is nothing here. This state, 10th part is, this state of matter has high molecular force of attraction. Down. When a gas becomes a solid directly. Conversion of a liquid into gaseous state below its boiling point. What forms when one substance dissolves in another substance. Next, sublimation is when a solid becomes dash without going through a liquid phase. All the matter has dash even in the absence of gravity. So you have to solve this puzzle according to this, across and down the groups. This is one of your activity that you have to do in your classwork copy. Next is label the diagram. You have to label the diagram. There is a diagram of sublimation process and there are 7 arrows, 7 blanks you have to fill accordingly in the box that we already done in the videos. Next question is, there is a diagram. Here you have to give the process. What is A? A is from solid to liquid. B is from liquid to gas. C is from gas to liquid. D is from solid to gas. So these types of questions are able to come in your exam also. Match the following. These are the quantities, or these are the units which are your SI units. You have to match the following SI units. टेम्परेचर की यूनिट क्या होती है, लेंथ की यूनिट किस में हम नापते हैं, मास क्या होता है, वॉल्यूम, डेंसिटी इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. तो यू कैन फाइंड द यूनिट्स फ्रॉम द फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो. प्रेशर की क्या होती है, तो यू हैव टू मैच द फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम क्वांटिटी टू यूनिट्स एंड राइट इट इन योर copy, that is in fair copy. Multiple choice question. Question is on converting 25. This is not 0, this is degree here. 25 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius and 66 degrees Celsius to Kelvin scale. The correct sequence of the temperature will be. So there is 3 temperatures in the degree Celsius. You have to convert in the करेक्ट सीक्वेंस कि 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस को अगर हम केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करें, 38 डिग्री सेल्सियस को केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करें और 66 डिग्री सेल्सियस को हम केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करें, तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा. तो अकॉर्डिंगली ABCD इज़ गिवन टू यू, यू हैव टू टिक द करेक्ट वन. Next is convert. You have to convert. First part is degree Celsius to Kelvin. You only have to write the formula. Second, 367 kelvins to degree Celsius. You have to write the formula and then write the 367 at the Kelvin side, and you have to find the value of degree Celsius. In next part, 0 degree Celsius to Kelvin, again put the value of Celsius to 0 and find the value of Kelvin. Arrange these in increasing order. So increasing order is from smaller to bigger. So here all are in Celsius or Kelvin. So you have to convert in only one unit, maybe in Kelvin, maybe in Celsius, that is depend upon you. When all become in Celsius or Kelvin, then you arrange the following in increasing order. First you have to put the small one and at least that large one. So these are all the questions, NCERT, in-text, out-text, and these extra questions are enough for this chapter. And you have to cover up all the notes, read the notes, and learn it. Start learning it and prepare for the test that may be in the coming days. Some portfolio work and doodle notes. Initially I sent you one PDF of doodle notes in which having the 3 activities. So how you can prepare the portfolio work and doodle notes like that. So these are the pictures like state of matter. You have to make the portfolio, solid, liquid and gas. Here you can paste the picture of solid, liquid, gas, different items that is present at your home, and you can make with the help of hand, sketch pens and different techniques, handmades and waste material also. So you can also make the doodle notes like that. You paste some solid, liquid and gas and give the properties of solid and liquid in the boxes like that by using the arrows and by using the different chits and papers. You can use these types of, I will give you the ideas. I have given you the ideas about these. So you can make these type. Only one activity you have to make for this chapter. Like from these 3 you can make only one. Some of them like this. There is a solid, liquid, gas. You can justify by pasting the beads, by bindis and so on, the waste material you have at your home. So you can make these type of activities. And changing state of matter, you can make the posture, cartoon character, comics, these to depict the changing or interchanging state of the matter. So these are the ways to make the portfolios like this. You make the doodle notes. These are the concept of doodle notes, that solid, liquid, gas you can explain. You can give the state of matters, their properties, their differences and many more. You can search on the Google and get the clippings from there. And these are the art integration work also of this chapter. You have to make only one of the activity of your choice from these 5 portfolios work, and doodle note is must, that is you have to paste in your copy, and this work you have to do on your sheets. Only one sheet you have to make and keep it in your file bag. So when you come to the school you get it signed. So in this way this chapter is completed with the portfolio work, extra questions discussion, in-text, out-text question discussion, and the whole chapter notes. Thank you.